Hello everyone, don't mind my mess, but I'm Artist Lady 37, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Xbox system error E208. Alright, so basically you saw my fat ass in the TV, but what you do, so I've reset it, I restarted, I did all those tricks, you know, that the clickbaiters on YouTube do. There's my errands on a T. What you're gonna do is you're gonna press troubleshoot, reset Xbox. You could do this and like factory reset it if you're just trying to sell this shit, but like I'm not trying to sell mine. So you're gonna click this, right? What that's gonna do is it's gonna take all the accounts off your Xbox. It's gonna take like, what do you say? It's gonna take off your saved games, to take off all your settings. It's gonna, and home Xbox associations. It's gonna, like, all your game shares. It's gonna take that shit off. But it's gonna keep the installed games and apps on your Xbox, so you don't have to like reinstall YouTube or some shit. But this one, if you do this one, then it's gonna make you reinstall everything, but it does the same thing as this one. So this one, if you're trying to sell your Xbox, this one, if you're just trying to fix it. So you're gonna click this. Just saying, if I were you, I would try to know your login credentials, because if you don't, then you're kind of screwed. Just saying, it's my dirty fish tank. Yeah. Be back when shit is done. Sorry about that. Had to do a whole ass password reset. Next, it's gonna ask you to sign in using a Microsoft account. I already put in my Gmail, so now I have to put in my password. I had cut there because I had to do a whole ass password reset because apparently I got it wrong. Yeah, next I'm gonna do a video on how to fucking change your thing. Check your phone. Verification code. What are these? Okay. Saying let's log in. There we go. How we use your data. That's my account right there. TB Iris. I'm gonna change it soon to my Twitch game. Soon changing it. Tell me more. It's gonna ask you, you know, the usual questions. You can't really decline that. It's like, oh, we're gonna use your personal data to share with our publishers. So basically, they're sharing your data with their publishers. So they're selling your data, your personal data, and you can't deny it because that's Xbox rules. You know. Hey, hello, and I'm gonna apply my settings. Link your controller, sure, buddy. Add this family member to the console. Sure. I made that on accident. Now I have to log into my other account because I paid $1 on there to get Game Pass, the Ultimate. And now, as you can see, the error is fixed. I have all my games. And you could do basically anything you want now. Add or switch now, but you did lose all your accounts. So if you were game sharing with somebody, then yeah. If you're game sharing, then that's, you know, it sucks. You can't do anything about it. Like, it's a shame, but like, you know, I'm gonna add my other account because, but if you're game sharing with somebody, you lost that account, and you're gonna have to redo the whole game share. So yeah. That's how you fix that. That's how you fix the error code. Error code. What was that shit again? I looked it up on YouTube. Hold on. I see what I searched up. how to fix Xbox system error code E208. Here you go.